Imagine cutting your monthly expenses in half, or even more. Is it magic? No, it's just smart financial tactics. Living on a low income forces many to just survive, but today, I'm here to show you how to thrive. Whether you're dealing with job loss, a sudden financial change, or just trying to stretch your budget further, the tips I'm about to share will transform the way you handle your finances, even on the tightest of budgets. Let's get right to our first major strategy, mastering the art of budgeting. It might sound basic, but creating a detailed budget is your financial backbone. Knowing exactly how much money you have coming in and where every dollar is going is crucial. Start by listing all your monthly income sources. Next, track every expense, no matter how small. Rent, groceries, utilities, and even that occasional coffee, everything counts. This will give you a clear picture of your financial landscape. For those not keen on old school pen and paper, numerous budgeting apps are available that can simplify this process. These tools can help you categorize your spending automatically and even alert you when you're nearing your budget limit in certain categories. Moving on to our second tip, slash non-essential spending. Now that you have your budget laid out, it's time to cut down on unnecessary expenses. Take a hard look at your monthly subscriptions, dining out habits, and impulse purchases. Do you really need that streaming service subscription? How often do you eat out? Reducing these costs can free up a substantial amount of money. It's all about prioritizing your spending. Focus on what you truly need and let go of what you can live without. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned and can be redirected to more essential needs or even into a savings account for future emergencies. Proceeding to the third tip, embrace cost-effective living. It's all about making smarter choices that align with your financial reality. Consider lifestyle adjustments that can dramatically reduce your costs. For instance, if you're living in a high-cost area, think about relocating to a more affordable location. The savings on rent and daily expenses can be significant. Also, tap into resources like public transportation instead of owning and maintaining a car, which can be expensive. Look for free entertainment options like community events and public parks to enjoy without spending money. Small changes, like these, can add up to big savings over time. Now, let's explore the fourth tip, generate additional income. When you're on a tight budget, finding ways to bring in extra money can be a game changer. Consider what skills you have that could translate into freelance work or a part-time job. Online platforms can connect you with opportunities to tutor, write, or even do graphic design from the comfort of your home. Local gig economy jobs, such as rideshare driving or food delivery, can also be a flexible option to earn extra cash. Think about what you can do well and how you can monetize it. Even a few extra hours of work each week can make a substantial difference in your overall financial health. By adopting these strategies, making lifestyle adjustments, and seeking additional income opportunities, you can create a more sustainable financial environment for yourself, even on a very limited income. These proactive steps not only help you manage your current financial situation, but also build towards a more secure financial future. Let's look at our fifth and final tip, smart shopping and meal planning. This approach is crucial for maximizing every dollar. Begin by becoming a savvy shopper. Always be on the lookout for sales, discounts, and bulk buying opportunities. Local markets and discount stores can offer significant savings over mainstream supermarkets, especially when you buy in bulk. Also, consider store brand products, which are often much cheaper than name brands, yet hold similar quality. When it comes to meal planning, the key is to plan your meals around what's on sale and what you already have in your pantry. Create a weekly meal plan that uses overlapping ingredients to minimize waste and reduce costs. Cooking at home is significantly cheaper than dining out, and by preparing meals in advance, you can save both time and money. Also, consider batch cooking, which involves making large quantities of a particular dish that can be eaten throughout the week or frozen for later use. This not only saves money, but also ensures you have healthy, cost-effective meals on hand, reducing the temptation to buy more expensive, ready-made meals. In conclusion, mastering these 5 financial tips can profoundly impact your economic situation, allowing you to not just get by on a low income, but to thrive. Start implementing these strategies today and see how much more control you can gain over your finances. Remember, it's not about the size of your income, but how effectively you manage it. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found these tips helpful. Take action now and transform your financial life into one of abundance and peace of mind. Remember, a low income doesn't mean you can't live a rich life.